Board, I wanted to share with you this morning a new spreadsheet I've made to work with Carl. He will have access to work on this. Let me show you a little bit how this works. I've set this all up in colones, so all Carl needs to do is enter receipts in colones, and it converts it to dollars. So for instance, if he had several Sky TV receipts of those amounts, it converts. So the same is true of trash removal. If he has a receipt for 34,000 colones, automatically converts based on this number here. So he just needs to find a fair average for the month. I know it changes throughout the time, but I would be fine with him just choosing a number here that reflects a fair balance between the average for the month. If I change this, notice all of my calculations change. So I'm going to go ahead and undo that because this should be the rate of exchange for December. These are the common area bills he gets from Coop Guanacaste. He puts in the colones, he gets a dollar amount, and frankly that works out to the same thing I'm calculating over here, where we're already showing here the $214.09. So this is these all work out, and we can see how that would occur. Now notice if I take off a payment, it automatically changes this, so we can automatically flag, okay, the HOA still owes him some money. If I undo that, we made an extra payment of $3,000. It shows that the HOA in this case overpaid. As soon as we would add some more funds in here, like if Carl, right now we don't owe that much, but if I put in, say, $1 million, well, that wasn't $1 million, put in $1 million. So if I put in $1 million colones, we're still not quite exceeding. Notice we only owe him $7,300. We've paid $7,500. So let me just put in another something here, and we should. I didn't put enough zeros there. Excuse me. So now as soon as we do that, notice it shows that we owe $7,600 to Carl. We've only paid $75. That flags in red right away for us to sort of look at that. So I'm going to set this up and have him input the data. I might be able to input some of it that I know I have access to up through the months. There will be one of these sheets for every month. All Carl needs to do is put in his receipts one at a time as he gets them for all the line items. By the way, all of the other line items are in here showing our total budget. I've just got those rows hidden right now because Carl doesn't need to see those. I mean, he can look at them, it doesn't matter, but this is what we're calculating. As Carl puts in the electric bills, for instance, of the units for whom he pays electricity, let's say Cope sends a bill for 31,000 colones, that's going to calculate to 5184. That's going to add up and sum all the way across to all the units. Of course, some of us are paying our own, but I just put this in here so that when he looks and goes through his electric bill, he can get all this to pay off. This should make things very easy for Carl, certainly make things a lot easier for me because this is a shared sheet. I can look at it and reconcile and kind of see right where we're at. So hopefully we'll get this bank account transfer problem solved, and then we'll be able to use this format to track data from Carl on a regular monthly basis.